In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change company settings in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your settings, what you can update, and how to save your changes with confidence. First, open QuickBooks Online and sign in to your company file. For best results, make sure you're using an account with admin permissions since only admins can adjust core company settings. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen for the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Click that to open the main settings menu. From that menu, choose Account and Settings. This is the control center for your company level preferences. When the page opens, you'll land on a screen that shows your company information, and you'll notice small pencil icons on each section. Those pencils indicate areas you can edit. You can update things like your company name as you want it to appear on forms, your official business address, and other display details that show up on invoices, estimates, and statements. Be sure your information matches how you want customers and vendors to see it. On the left side, you'll see categories that organize everything you can change. Common sections include company, billing and subscription, usage, sales, expenses, payments, and advanced. Click into a category to reveal the settings inside. Then select the pencil icon next to the specific item you want to adjust. For example, in sales, you can control how your invoices look and what fields appear. In expenses, you can decide whether to track purchase orders or make fields like billable expenses available. The advanced section is where you set preferences like your home currency, your first month of the fiscal year, and other accounting defaults. After you make a change, click Save in that section to lock it in. QuickBooks saves settings by section, so it's a good habit to save as you go. When you're done making all your updates, click Done in the bottom right to close the window. A few quick tips to keep you on track. If you're working during a busy time, update one section at a time and save frequently so you don't lose changes. If you adjust how forms look, open a sample invoice or estimate afterward to preview the result. And if multiple people manage your books, let your team know what you changed so everyone stays aligned. That's it. You've now navigated to Account and Settings, reviewed your company info, chosen a category from the left panel, used the pencil icons to edit, and saved your updates. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping!